To change the size of the rows and columns automatically in Google Sheets with a specific size you want or fit with each text in the spreadsheets, stay here and hold on. Hi, how to automatically resize rows and columns to the exact size you want or to fit all the text in your spreadsheets in Google Sheets. Stay focused and follow me. Open any spreadsheets. Click here to select the entire column and right-click. Here you will find Resize column. Just click. You will see this. Click on Fit to Data. This will make all texts in that column appear within the column. Click OK. Fit text to column. Similar step if you have a specific size you want. Right-click. Then Resize column. Enter your new number here. Then OK. To change the row size, click here to select the entire row and right-click. Here you will find Resize row. Just click. Click here for if you have a specific height you want, and enter your new number here. Then OK. If you want text to fit row, right-click, Resize row. Then Fit to Data, and click OK. We are done. If you find this video useful, hit the like button and share the video. If you have any comment, you can leave it in the comment section. Remember to follow me and subscribe to my channel. Peace.